Next, let's move in. You have questions, just let me know. Type it there. So for time being, look here. Look here. For the Aussie, right? It happened quite early, and this is a pattern that is forming where you actually don't have this kind of strong push downs, that create gaps, but you have a series of bars that are roughly about same color. You can have one or two colors in there, but what I want you to see is that this movement is pretty what they call determined into one single direction, and is also impulsive in nature. That you can see that it's very determined selling coming down. You can see. So this is also a pattern that I'm observing. If you see this kind of movements, it could lead to a potential entry as well. Okay, so back to the 50%, then go. Now, there's one particular thing that I may not do if you see something like that. Okay, if there's an upwards movement, and then you see it taking out this area, right? If you see price taking out this area, it's fine, no problem. But the crucial one, because we are doing a 5-minute chart, right? I do not see one or two candles going back straight to the 50%. Now, these are usually high, what do you call, patterns that can actually create quite huge losses as well, because the stop loss will be hunted. Okay, so 1-2 candles hitting your 50%, long black candles, you have to be very careful not to take those kind of trades. Sometimes it can go away, but most of times I do notice that, you would have losses. So this Aussie trade, that was your entry right over here, and price was a bit choppy, creating a lot of tension. But later on, it went on down all the way to this area right here, giving you about a 6-to-1 return. So this is quite a nice entry over here if you have. But I'm still observing this particular pattern just to share with you all. Okay. Now, with regards to China 50, it was a bit how would I put it? A bit messy today with today's prices, but nevertheless, it started to move up. Right over here, price giving you already a 1-to-1. Actually, no, sorry, a 2-to-1 already, because the entry at the 50 level, 3-to-1 profit there already. So be on the watch out a bit more, and then let's see how this turns out, how this trade turns out. So basically, that's the